Okay, next we need to install few application on our Windows Server 2019. The IP address is 192.168.100.230. As we know, it is our Active Directory as well and NTP as well. Next, I will install a Radius server, syslog server, SNMP server, and will make them as a FTP server. We will require these things later on in the course. So let's go to our server. I already accessed this server 192.168.100.230, and I need to configure few things. The first one is the FTP and syslog server. Okay, so you can download the free application which work as a FTP and syslog, and the name is 3C daemon, I believe. Yeah, so this is the application. Let's go to our server and let's open a browser. Okay, you can download from this website. Just click download. I already download, and the name is, because this server, this 3C daemon is a FTP, TFTP, and also syslog server. Okay, so I already download this application. To save time, let me go to my download, and here is 3C daemon. So right click and 7-zip, extract them. 3C daemon free, you can download free, and just click on setup. Okay, and install. Just click next, and that's it. Yes, next, and that's it. And click close, finish. And now 3C daemon will be available. So if I minimize this one window, okay, and let's go to here and let me open 3C daemon. So you can see is a TFTP server as well, FTP server as well, syslog server as well, and TFTP client as well. So you can use for multiple purpose. We're gonna use for syslog and for FTP server. Okay, here we can configure a user which we will require later on. Anyway, we will configure later on, and that's it. So our FTP is ready. Okay, which is syslog as well. Keep in mind, this is a syslog and FTP both. Okay, let's go to the next one. So we install and configure 3C daemon. The next application is required is SNMP manager. Okay, so for SNMP, let's go to our server and let's open a browser. Okay, let me open this browser, and here from this link you can download SNMP B with the name SNMP B, a free application. So I already download. Okay, let me go to download, and here is the SNMP B application. Again, it's a free application. Click next. Okay, and now it's ready. Finish. And if you want to check, let's go to, okay, let me close this one, and from here we can open SNMP B. So this is our SNMP application, okay, which we will configure later on. However, we install this SNMP B. So next, SNMP is done. Next we require, let's go down. We done with this one. Okay, the Wind Radius, because we're gonna use Radius. So the Radius you can download. Let's go to our server. Let's open, and GitHub. You can download Wind Radius from this GitHub link. Okay, I already download. You don't need to install this one. Let's go back to download Wind Radius. Just unzip, 7-zip use. Okay, and it's open, and just click Wind Radius. Okay, you see the launch ODBC services fail. What you need to do, go to setting, database, and click once. This once required, first time. Configure ODBC automatically. Click OK. Now it say create. Okay, now they say close the application and run again, and we are done. This is the simple configuration. Sorry, this one, and we are done. So now Wind Radius is running okay. Authentication port is 1812, accounting port is 1813, and secret key which we will use later on is Wind Radius. So here is the system setting. This is the secret key. This is authorization port. This is accounting port. Okay, these three things are required later on, and that's it. Later on we will create users as well. You just need to click on operation, add user, and here you can create admin1. Okay, password abc8123445. Okay, and click OK. Similarly, we need one more user, so admin2 abc8123445. That's what we will require later on. So I added two user. How we know? So just click query and click OK. Here it will show you admin1 and admin2. So we create a two user for test purpose as well. So let's go back. I believe we are done. These are the things which is required to configure. Okay, yeah. So admin1, admin2, and audit admin. We need one more user as well. So let me quickly create audit admin abc8123445, and that's it. Password is abc, and click OK, and let me query again. Now we have three users and we are done. So let's go back to our lab. So now this server work as a Active Directory, NTP server, FTP, SNMP, syslog, and Radius. That's it. So our server is ready, by the way, for lab purpose.